Hello everyone, I'm Lalsa Mulkaluri and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will see how to accept the input dynamically during the course of program from the end user. Let me quickly share my screen and show you what I mean. So yes. So like I told you, the concept for today will be user input, how to accept it dynamically during the program run. And before understanding what this is, I suggest you to go through my previous videos, which will cover the concepts of variables, functions, function calling, and dictionaries. That knowledge is important before you understand these concepts. So let me quickly go to my py file. And what am I trying to do here, guys? Till now, what did we do? Whenever we are creating a variable, say suppose play a choice. In all our previous videos, I have mentioned player choice as rock, right? So what is this called in programming language? We call it hard coding, which means you are telling the compiler whenever this variable player choice is there, it will always have the value as rock. So that is hard coding. You cannot hard code anything when it comes to real-time programming. It should be as dynamic as possible. And one of those ways is accepting input from the user. So now I want the player to choose between rock, paper, and scissors. I do not want to hard code it in my code. Okay, now how do I do that? There is a keyword in Python which will help us do that. And that keyword is input. So what am I saying here? I will say player choice equals to, and I will prompt a message, choose an option, and I will also give the options rock, paper, paper, and scissors. And let us give a colon here. So what are we doing here? Instead of hard coding something, instead of hard coding the value of player choice, we are giving an option to the end user to choose from. And for that, we are using a keyword called input. And what are we trying to prompt? Choose an option, rock or paper or scissors. So if I quickly run this and see on the console, let us see what it is giving. So it is prompting a message to the end user telling choose an option, rock, paper or scissor. Okay. Now, if you observe something here, the program is not stopped yet. It is still running. Why? Because it is accepting an input from the end user. I will have to type something. The end user has to type something, only then it would stop. So for now, let us type rock and hit on enter. Okay. That is how you accept an input from the user. Now let us quickly see something more. So once the input is done, let us try to print the result, guys. Okay. So I will come here and say print. Whatever was the player choice was selected, I am asking the compiler to print it for me. Okay. So let us run it. So now it is again prompting me choose an option rock, paper and scissors. So now let me give an input as paper. And you see, after I gave paper, it is coming to the print statement. It is printing the player's choice, which is paper. And this is how you accept an input from a user dynamically during the process run. I hope you like my video. Stay tuned for further videos, and all of this will constitute together in building our rock, paper, scissors games. Thank you so much.